Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how to generate a new PSpice model. For that, just click on File New, and then you click on Model New. From here you have two options. You can select Use Device Characteristic Curves. It means that you are going to use the characteristics, the information directly from the datasheet, or just use templates. In this case we are going to use information from datasheet. I'm going to define a diode. You have here the list of the components you can define using this strategy. In this case I'm going to take the diode. I click on OK, and automatically I get these 5 traces or characteristics, for example forward current, so forward voltage, forward current, that defines my model. What I have to do is I have to take my datasheet and I have to write down here its values. For that, in this case, I'm going to define the different points for a particular diode I have got, and I'm extracting the values, as I said, from the datasheet. Interesting is, well, it takes a little bit time, but it is not so difficult. Important is that once it is done, we extract the parameters and we get them. So, first one, then I click in the junction capacitance. Afterwards, when you generate this, I recommend to verify if the results of the curves are as you expect. For that, you have to define a circuit in Orca Capture and verify your component, the different traces. I will show that in another video, and at the same time I will also show how it is possible to increase the let's say the precision of a component using optimizer. It is an option of advanced analysis. It's also really interesting. It is also shown in another video. So we have here 800. Okay. And then we have here okay, as much as it is done, you can see right now we have here our traces. Important, these are the parameters which defines for PSpice the different traces we have right now written down. And you can see that for each characteristic, different parameters are marked. It means that this trace, for example, make changes for these 4 parameters, the junction capacitance for these 3, etc. Okay, and also important is once you have given the different values, you have to click on Tools, Extract Parameters, and you are going to see how the values change. It means that we have already extracted these traces to our parameters for PSpice. Important, these parameters could have values that don't agree with the same parameter name in the datasheet. Why? Because these parameters are extracted using the information of the traces. They have nothing to do with datasheet values if these parameters as they are here written also exist in the datasheet. Okay, so these parameters defines the behavior of my model. You can see also here you can click on view and you can click on edit model, and here you can see that's the model you have right now created with the different parameters. And you can also select model add smoke, and if you click here you could include the device maximum operating conditions parameters or values in order to use this model afterwards in reliability. But well, I also showed this in another videos. I hope it helps you as much as you have done this, and just click on File, Export to Part Library, and then you have your symbol already created. I hope it helps you, and we listen to each other in another video. Thank you, and bye bye.